This is Steve Nomura in Chicago. We just closed 206th deal. This time I bought this property in Indiana. Village is called Melville. This is the first time to buy in this city. And also this time a little bit unique. I never bought any property that completely rehabbed by somebody else, but this time I decided to buy this rehabbed house. I'm gonna put some money and update a little bit more, but almost this is a completely moving condition. Okay, I'm gonna show you the inside. Thank you. As I mentioned in the title company, this is almost completely rehabbed house. The previous owner bought this house June last year. Then it took more than 6 months to finish this project, and the previous owner put this property on the market in the end of February. Therefore, it took more than 6-7 months to finish this project. When I look at the property, it was nicely done. I brought inspector twice, and then we checked so many details. And the level of the work is pretty good. I'm completely satisfied with this. I'm going to show you the inside. Okay, this is a kitchen, granite countertop, a 30-inch cabinet. Then this is almost same appliance level of the appliances I use: a dishwasher, stove, microwave, and a refrigerator. Then I think this is enough cabinet space for this size of the house. Here there's a garage. Okay. This is a laundry area. This is a half bath. Then here's a garage. This is a two-car garage. Then insulated. Then previous owner did new electrical wiring for me after we made a contract. That was a big job. Let's go to the bedrooms. All right, here there's a furnace, a hot water tank. Of course, it's a brand new. All right, there's 3 bedrooms. Okay, here's the first one. Then this is the biggest one out of 3. I wish I could have a vinyl planks in the floor, but this is a carpet. Until this option 10 buyer move out, I'm gonna keep this. There's a nice size of the closet, nice sliding doors. Okay. And then there's another one on this side. It's a little smaller size of the bedroom, but it's okay. Okay. And then nice closet here. Then this is the full bathroom, based on the white color. And it's the granite countertop, nice mirror, and then lights. And this is a nicely done bathtub. And these days, I recognize that most of the tiles on this kind vertically installed. Also vertically, this design tile was also installed. All right, and then this is ceramic tile on the floor. Then let's go back. This is a living and dining. This is a dining space. This is a living space. This is a nice size. And then there's a near fireplace, but I just shut off this space, and then they can use it. I'm gonna put the electrical fireplace here. Then it's got the floor. This floor is a vinyl planks, the entire first floor, except the bedroom. This is usually we do. Then this is a back porch. And this deck. All right, anyway, this is a nice addition. And then this is a huge backyard. I'm gonna do some landscaping from now on, but this is a moving condition. I'm gonna put this property on the market very soon after I did some work. And then this is a nice neighborhood, very quiet, very safe. Then I'm pretty excited to put this property on the market as soon as possible. Thank you very much.